I don't have honey, but I'm gonna try brown sugar and then I'll put it in the microwave. So, then ilagay ko na lang siguro sa top niya. Ano po? What do you think? So, gawa po ako ng syrup. No? Gawa po ako ng syrup. Lagay ko po dito sa bowl. Sugar. Ayan, pwede na po yan. And then, lagyan po natin ng konting hot water. Ayun lang. Ganun lang. Konting hot water lang. Di po ba? Parang caramelize natin. And then, ilagay natin sa microwave. Ang setting ko po, full siya. And then, alam niyo yung microwave ko, naka 30 minutes lang yan. Kung gusto kong, hindi ko binabago yung setting niya. I'm not putting it by force sa 0 every time na natapos ko na. No. Hindi po. So, yun po ang advice ko sa inyo para magtagal ang microwave ninyo. Itong microwave ko, matagal na ito since 2017 po ito. So, ganun po ang ginagawa ko. Don't force to get to off or don't force to get to 0. Yung setting lang niya ang gamitin ninyo. So, what you're gonna do, switch off nyo na lang kung wala kayong, kung iba yung microwave ninyo. Ayun, nagbo-boil na siya. Can you see that? Boiling na po yun, no? So, i-open ko lang siya. That's it. Ayun, nakaramelize na. See, ang bilis po mag-caramelize ng sugar. So, tapos, ang gawin nyo, i-off nyo na lang dyan. Ayun. Ayun. So, yung setting ko po, nandun lang siya. Tatarag, pwede kong gamitin ulit yan. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko sa nakaramelize na sugar, dito ko po i-coat ang aking strawberry. Wow! Init! Ayun, yung mga strawberry na hindi nyo nakakain, pwede nyo gawin yung ganyan. Ay, alam nyo po kung bakit ako, naisip ko yun, ito, na-inspire ako doon sa ginawa ng mga bata na chocolate-coated strawberry. So, pwede naman po itong sugar-coated, pero brown sugar po yung ginamit ko. I use brown sugar for those who can't understand Filipino. There you go. And I've got how many strawberries? Actually, there were 10 pieces of strawberries yesterday. And I took them out of the fridge kasi I think it had been like 5 days that I have not eaten not even one of them. So, yun pong ginawa. That's what I did. And I defrosted the fridge. That's why I got a lot of ice and I thought of vlogging it. And pretending that I took the ice from outside and because it's snowing. Well, come on. It can't snow here in the Middle East, but it can have hail. It's not as soft or as fine, I should say. It's not as fine as you have seen, but they could be hail. There are some parts in Oman where there is hails because it's mountainous here. So there is actually one place, Jabar Akdal, if I am saying it right, where the temperature is always 15 degrees lower, as they say it in the FM radio all the time. So whatever is the temperature in the city, you just take away 15 degrees and that is the temperature in that area. Well, it could be, how do you call that, cold because Oman is surrounded by mountains, and mountains are not just mountains like chocolate hills. No, they are mountains, huge mountains and tall mountains. So they can reach the clouds. So it's the clouds that will make, but the clouds are very high, to be honest, are very high. They cannot go down that much because we are in the Middle East, yeah? So it can disperse how many feet above, 100 feet above the ground. So we don't really feel the cold temperature often, especially during summer and autumn time and all. It's just in winter time where we feel really very, very cold. So yesterday it was 13 degrees, and it will go up today, and I think it will be lower again 2 to 3 days from now. So anyway, this is my strawberry dessert today for breakfast. I'm gonna just prepare my breakfast, and I will take this one for dessert, for my dessert. So for Tom's nail, there you go. Strawberry ice, sorry, it's not strawberry ice, it's strawberry dessert with caramelized brown sugar. Alright, thank you for watching. It's another upload. Please do share, like, and subscribe all my videos, and please comment as well. Okay, and visit me when I am on live. Okay, bye for now. Have a great day. Love you all.